Hi dosto, once again welcome back to the channel. This video is about Aadhaar card. If you wanted to get your Aadhaar card original copy like a card, what you can see on the screen, you can get it online. But the beauty is, even if you have not registered any mobile number with your Aadhaar, you can get it. Also, this will help you. Suppose you lost your registered mobile number, or if you do not know what is a registered mobile number with Aadhaar, still you can get the copy or original copy like card form from your home. You can order it. So next question is, what is the security? What anybody can order your Aadhaar? Basically, yes, anyone can order your Aadhaar, but the security is the original copy, what you can see on the screen, PVC card, will not go to anyone else. It will come to your registered address. So even if someone else orders your card, or even if you order your card from someone else's mobile, finally the card will reach you in your home. It will not go anywhere. So that is secure. And one more point to note, there is 50 rupees payment you have to make online, because that comes in the PVC form as you can see on the screen, and it comes through India Post securely. Okay, so let us quickly start and see how this can be ordered without even having registered mobile number. So friends, you can even do it from your mobile. Okay, what you can do, just open a Google search and search for UIDAI. This link I will give in my video description, so you don't need to search actually, but I wanted to show you how it is. This link will be in my description. Copy paste it in your URL browser, you get this link directly on your mobile. So now if you scroll a little bit down, you can see here there is an option, order Aadhaar PVC card. So this is the option you have to click to get the Aadhaar original PVC copy, plastic card copy. Okay, when you click there, usually you get these many options. You can see here, first you have to identify your Aadhaar. That means you have to order your Aadhaar with your Aadhaar number or virtual ID. You have two options. Aadhaar number is 12 digit, virtual ID is 16 digit number. Okay, I have my Aadhaar number itself. I wanted to order an Aadhaar. I know the number. So 12 digit Aadhaar number first you have to enter, then CAPTCHA you have to enter and click on send OTP. So this is the normal method, and if you click on send OTP, what happens? OTP will come to your linked mobile number. That means that this Aadhaar was linked to a mobile, and only that mobile number will get the OTP. So this is the normal method. Okay, so in this process, for example, if I am this is a normal method, we will see the another method. You can see here, when I click on send OTP, OTP was sent to your registered mobile number. So this method can be applied to get in your new Aadhaar copy. If you have already registered, you got it, I got an OTP. Why? Because I had registered this mobile number with the Aadhaar which I am going to order. Now just imagine, so what if you have not registered your mobile number, or you forgot your registered mobile number, or you lost your registered number? Still you can order your Aadhaar. What is the procedure? Enter your Aadhaar number 12 digit, enter the CAPTCHA here, and after that, this is the main point. After entering the CAPTCHA clearly, okay, I will correct the CAPTCHA later. So you have a new option here, my mobile number is not registered. Okay, this you can even tick, even if your mobile number is registered. Don't worry, even if your mobile number is registered but still you wanted to order Aadhaar in another mobile, you can tick this option. Enter the mobile number, that means enter the alternative or another mobile number which was not linked with your Aadhaar, and then you click on send OTP. So just imagine I enter some mobile number which is not linked with my Aadhaar, okay, or maybe not registered with Aadhaar. Click on send OTP. So friends, OTP will go to that mobile which you are giving here. Okay, OTP will not come to your registered mobile number, remember that. Okay, so make sure you are entering the CAPTCHA correctly. You can see here, OTP sent to your registered mobile number is the message, but check the other mobile, or check which mobile number you have given here. So then you can note down the OTP from that mobile number, enter the OTP here, and accept the terms and conditions. That is mandatory, you have to accept this, and after that click on submit button. Okay, so this simple procedure, but you are giving another mobile number, okay, because you don't have registered mobile number. Now you can see here, next page is about payment. But clearly they say preview is not available, because since you are doing from non-registered mobile number, you can't see the copy of Aadhaar before ordering. That's okay. because I know my Aadhaar. Now click on make payment. When you click on make payment, it will take you to a payment page where clearly they are saying total payment is 50 rupees. So this is including the delivery charge. You don't need to pay anything when it is getting delivered. Okay, you have three options: card, net banking, UPI. You can select your option. I am selecting net banking for example here. When you select net banking, you get all the banks. If the bank is not there, you can search your bank here, last option. Okay, so here your bank is already there. You can select the bank and click on proceed button, or you can click on search for your bank and give your bank. You can see here clearly 50 rupees you are going to pay. One more point, you get 2 SMS like this in the another mobile number which you are giving here to get OTP, and you also get an PVC card has been registered with an SRN number also you get in another mobile number. That means the mobile number which you have given here, not the mobile number registered with. Now let us, this is for your information, I just showed that. Click on the proceed button after selecting your bank where you are going to pay 50 rupees online. So you can see here I just selected my bank, payment is successful for 50 rupees, and it come back here in the UIDAI page. You can see here transaction is successful. Okay, and scroll down below, you can see all the details, your transaction order, SRN number is there here also, receipt number is there. You can click on download payment receipt and get it saved in your mobile. Okay, so one more thing, let us see how to check the status. I have ordered it, whether it is dispatched or it is delivered with post office, all these things you can see here. Remember this SR number, you just note it down. You don't need for checking the status, but still it's your reference point. Please copy it or save it in your mobile. Now you are back to the UIDAI website home page. Okay, I have given this home page in my video description. The same page you visited first, and come down here. This time you are going to click check Aadhaar PVC card status, because you have already ordered, you wanted to check the status of delivery or dispatch. Now you are going to enter your 12-digit Aadhaar number here. After entering the 12-digit Aadhaar number, okay, enter the security captcha code, whatever is there here, enter it. After that, click on send OTP, and if you have not registered, that is our problem. That's why we are clicking this option, my mobile number is not registered, because you want OTP in another mobile number, right? The same way you have done when it is ordering. So I click this option, my mobile number not registered, and I give again the mobile number which was not registered with Aadhaar number, and click on send OTP. That means you get the OTP in that mobile number which you have given here, whichever mobile number here, and then I am entering the OTP from that mobile number. I enter the terms and conditions, I agree with that, and click on submit. You can see here clearly it shows your request is received, payment is success, and your which is the date, and clearly it says please come back after 24 hours for the updated status. That means I just have ordered, it might take some time to change the status. So clearly you can see when it is dispatched, when it will deliver you, and you will get it followed up by postal department, and it will come as a speed post, so you don't need to worry to get it lost and stuff. You will get it with 50 rupees original PVC card. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly share with your friends. Also, please subscribe to our channel and give a like to this video. Thank you. I will shoot another video shortly, very informative. Thank you so much.